Welcome to SNAutoLuxury, your go-to destination for the most authentic and detailed reviews of the latest automobiles and bikes. In this video, we bring you an in-depth review of the Honda SP125, a commuter motorcycle that has gained immense popularity for its refined engine, stylish design, and excellent fuel efficiency. Whether you're a daily commuter or someone looking for a reliable two-wheeler with modern features, the SP125 is designed to meet your needs while keeping things economical. The Honda SP125 is powered by a 124cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that is BS6 compliant, which means it meets the latest emission standards while delivering smooth and refined performance. It produces around 10.7 bhp at 7,500 revolutions per minute and 10.9 Nm of torque at 6,000 revolutions per minute, making it ideal for city riding and short highway commutes. The engine is paired with a 5-speed gearbox that ensures a seamless transition between gears and enhances the overall riding experience. Thanks to Honda's enhanced Smart Power, especially technology, the SP125 offers better fuel efficiency and improved combustion efficiency. One of the highlights of the Honda SP125 is its stylish and sporty design. The motorcycle features a sharp headlamp design with LED lighting that not only improves visibility but also gives it a modern look. The tank design is muscular and aggressive, complemented by striking graphics that add to the overall aesthetic appeal. The digital instrument cluster is fully loaded with information such as real-time mileage, gear position indicator, service due reminder, and a trip meter. This makes the SP125 not just visually appealing but also functionally superior in its segment. Comfort and ride quality are also key strengths of the SP125. The seat is well cushioned and long enough to provide comfort to both rider and pillion during extended rides. The suspension setup consists of telescopic front forks and a hydraulic rear shock absorber, which handle potholes and rough patches with ease. The bike is equipped with a 240mm front disc brake and a 130mm rear drum brake, with a combined braking system (CBS) for enhanced safety during sudden braking. Another aspect that makes the SP125 a great choice is its lightweight body and smooth handling. It weighs just around 117 kilograms, which makes it easy to maneuver through traffic. The 11-liter fuel tank offers a decent range, and with a claimed mileage of around 60 km/h, the SP125 is one of the most fuel-efficient motorcycles in its class. Alloy wheels, tubeless tires, and a silent start feature further add to the convenience factor for daily users. In terms of pricing, the Honda SP125 is positioned competitively in the 125cc segment. It offers a good balance between cost, performance, and features, making it an excellent value for money proposition. Whether you're a college student, a working professional, or someone who values reliability and economy, the SP125 delivers on all fronts. At SNAutoLuxury, we strive to bring you detailed insights into the performance, comfort, styling, and value of each vehicle. The Honda SP125 stands out as a reliable commuter bike that combines modern technology with Honda's trusted engineering. If you're looking for a two-wheeler that's stylish, practical, and efficient, the SP125 deserves your attention. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to SNAutoLuxury for more automotive reviews, specs, and features of the latest bikes and cars. Your support motivates us to bring more quality content for enthusiasts like you.